Hi, and welcome to Photoshop Fundamentals, a course which will help you learn the fundamentals of Photoshop and help you learn the tools you need to know to get started learning the serious Photoshop workflow. This course will help you grow your knowledge through an innovative teaching methodology by entering the world of Photoshop and following the path of the expert. With this video course, you'll get all the pictures that will help you with the learning process to learn modern techniques and tools used by the experts. You'll find your download link to download your images and get started. I'll share with you what I'd give to myself if I had to learn Photoshop again to do it quickly and easily. With the help of this course, you'll make amazing progress by making the change from a total beginner to an advanced Photoshopper in less than a weekend. You'll learn different tools like brushes, Photoshop options, filters and images, and so many tips and tricks and how and when to use them so that you can start using them on your images and correct anything you want. At the end, you'll be able to modify and correct any image and do anything you like, such as changing the image's size, cropping an image, changing colors, removing a person from an image, enhancing the texture, changing and enhancing the colors, modifying shapes. You'll be able to combine 2 or more images into one, and so much more. I can't wait to start this amazing journey with you. So let's start right away with the first lecture.